Hey guys, it's Carter with the Swing Trading Masterclass. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what on earth is going on with Palantir. Today, the stock is down about 14%. And we always hear those, things, buy low, sell high. But given that this stock is selling off 14%, the last thing you want to do is buy in the low and then have it continue to sell off more and more and more. So we're going to be looking at what's going on and answering that main question of, is now the best time to invest in this? So I hope you guys enjoy it. Smash that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school, private live streams, quizzes, lectures, all that good stuff. So let's jump into this bad dog. All right. So today, Palantir released something called an earnings report. So this is where the company comes out and they give you all the good, they give you all the bad, they give you things they need to improve on, maybe some future guidance. And obviously, they actually beat expectations, which sounds crazy to even say. So Palantir shares stumbled more than 12% Tuesday, on course for their worst slump in a year, as the increase in full year guidance and its better than expected first quarter financial results failed investors' concern over the company's high evaluation. So you're probably wondering, how high is it? It's trading for $100, right? It's probably worth it, right? Well, comparing to some other AI icons like NVIDIA, right? Let's go ahead and read this next article. Even with today's slump, the stock is still up almost 321% over the past year. Well, that's a lot. That's a lot, okay? Taking the share price to about 185 times forward earnings, okay, which is a metric a lot of investors use. So 185 times forward earnings is pretty overvalued. That's pricier than NVIDIA's 25.3 times and tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 index 125.7 or 25.7, times. The company raised its revenue outlook for 2025 to a range of $3.89 billion to $3.9 billion. That's up from its previous outlook of $3.74 billion to $3.76 billion and surpassed the average analyst estimate of $3.75 billion according to estimates. All right, so that's absolutely crazy. That's insane. Now, obviously, I think right now, I think we all know, there's so many stocks that are overvalued. I think, we could see some sell-off in Tesla. I think we could see, even more sell-off with Palantir, even companies like NVIDIA, still 25 times forward earnings. That's pretty high. That's pretty high. Now, I want to show you guys here just a general chart of Palantir over the past year. So we've seen just extreme growth, right? Going from lows at like $20 all the way up to $123, right? Huge sell-off. So you're probably like, Carter, where should you buy? Where are you going to buy? Well, looking at the RSI, right, historically, anything over a 70 is an overvalued point, just on the technicals, right? So right now, it's still at a 53, so more sell-off is normal. For me to pick up shares, I think anything under like $90 is decent. Probably you're still paying a little premium for it, to be honest with you, but it's not as bad as like the $115, $100 levels. So that's kind of the thought process I had with Palantir. Now, if you're watching this and you're like, well, I want to invest in Palantir, I want it. I think the best approach would be to dollar cost average it. I think investing consistently, in developing a good average share price is better than just dumping in a bunch of money right now. I think sell-off in companies like this is normal, it's healthy, and it just puts other stocks kind of at ease. We're seeing a little bit of a dip down out of NVIDIA, which is fine. And normally stuff like this, I'm like, oh my gosh, we got to buy it. But this thing is a little overvalued, and it's normal for a stock to sell off a little bit back down to like that fair market level. So let me know in the comments if you guys are buying any of this. I would love to know. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, investing, check out our school. And the broker I used today was Moomoo. So if you guys want to sign up for them, I'll put a link to them down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.